cat, dude.
Hello everyone, this is your
Daily
daily dose of internet. This cat gently pet this bird, and the bird didn't seem to be bothered.
That's cute. Yo, Bummerside, I'm sorry, dude. I felt bad about your video, dude.
xQcOW.
Like an 8-minute video.
Oh, are you still asleep, little boy? Oh,
With like
my
overwatching it at the beginning, it's kinda.
Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Oh, well, that's cute, dude.
Hey. Hey.
Can I pet your nose like that?
No. Good one, dude.
Some people have to wait for the bus to get to work, while this guy waits to get on a giant moving ship.
Why is pretty sick? Dude, my check is breaking, I don't know why. What about the other guy?
10 pop.
This cat
No man,
Chat.
I get it. Thanks for giving it a try. Smile xQcL.
I have a question. How do they know they're not gonna get flipped by the wave?
Is this the gaming warlord? The gaming golem? The gaming goblin? Hell yeah.
This cat doesn't want this cord to be plugged in.
24 months. Love you all xQcL.
Experience. My check is breaking, I don't know why. It's very hard to read it. Look at this.
If you set up a time-lapse of the night sky and point it directly at the North Star, you will notice something interesting. As the Earth rotates, the other stars move, but the
Hi,
North
Mr.
Star
Cow, here
stays
is a good
still.
video,
This is
smile.
why it's called the North Star, because it will always be in the northern sky.
Wait, say that
Happy
again?
14th anniversary xQc. Today's National Horny Day, so I will send you some of my nudes in your DM later.
No. Yo, guys, I can't even watch this in pieces. Look at this. My channels keep breaking, and my alerts keep breaking.
I
I can't.
your mom last
I
night.
can't even fucking
That
mute or
bitch was
skip.
so
I can't do
hairy,
anything.
I felt like a
What the
fucking
fuck is
zookeeper
happening?
working with
I can't do
orangutans.
anything.
Hyper Daniel's video
I can't do
game.
shit.
There's something interesting. As the Earth rotates, the other stars move, but
I can't
Let's
do
relive this
anything.
moment, please.
the North
Pega clap world record.
I can't skip. Fuck. Okay, I can't.
Hello xQc. I was banned for 2 weeks just for spamming.
Mods, please
like
pause it.
everyone
Mods,
else.
please tell me.
Seems
Pause
unfair,
it
but
before I
still
fucking
love
break
you,
everything.
xQcH.
I did it.
I'm not
Why
a
am I yelling?
bad
I'm not like,
person.
dude. This is, dude. I love Daily Dose, and I can't watch it because this shit is fucking spamming, dude, and I can't stop it in any. There is no physical way that I can stop it, dude. And my check keeps breaking it, and I don't know what to do. I'm out of options. I'm about to melt everything, dude. Look at this. It keeps breaking. And look at this. While this is happening, this guy thinks that it's funny, dude, to add more. You know, dude? Fuck you, pussy. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ban. Almanzo. Peace the fuck out. Never come back. Fuck you. Okay, next. Moving on.
Star stays still.
Fuck, man.
This is why it's called the North Star, because it will always be in the northern sky. Here's a cool time-lapse showing how the continents were formed over millions of
Guys,
years.
he can't skip. He's literally fucked it.
Wait a minute. What is that? That's interesting. Sammy, I don't know about the garbage. I have to be honest, I have no fucking clue. Sammy, I have no clue about the garbage. I can't tell if it's out, if it's not. I have rotten steak in the garbage bin, and the upstairs toilet is clogged. I can't. I can't. Okay. Damn, dude.
Here's a cat that really wanted to get some treats. These surfers had no idea that a massive whale was swimming right below them.
Chat's mom pog. Guys, that is before I fucked her.
That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Chat. Is the stream effing a bit right now or not?